Okay, so today we have a beautiful example of a Carousel 4200 slide projector. This came into our shop and it's just in immaculate shape. I haven't done anything to it. I just verified that all of her functions work. She's in excellent shape. Gorgeous machine. So I'll be going ahead and demonstrating here on some slides. I'll be using the remote and also using the on-panel display buttons too. So going forward and reverse. So let's go ahead and switch on the lamp. I'll start. So I'm going forward now. So here we can see our focus. Works like a champ. Now we picked up these slides at a second-hand store, so I'm not exactly sure what they are. It most definitely is not our vacation. Anyway, some beautiful harbor front. Here's a fella. There's a fella here getting himself a nice birthday present. He looks pretty happy with his shirt. Some kids playing in the sand, I guess. Nice and sharp. Going back. Excellent machine. This machine works flawlessly. So now one of the handy features that you look for in all slide projectors is your ability to select your slide that you're looking at, and that on this machine is handled by this little lever here. So you push that down, it raises the current slide up, and it unlocks the mechanism, so you can now spin your carousel to choose any of your vacation slides that you wish to show. You release it and it goes back again. And this machine works perfectly. She has a really long remote cord, so you can walk about the room explaining to your guest all your wonderful vacation shots. She has a onboard storage for your power cord. This machine is an excellent example of a Kodak 4200.